your small front yard to look high-end without breaking the bank? In this video, I'll show you quick wins and simple design tricks that make any small yard look expensive and elegant. From clever pathways to smart planning, these ideas deliver maximum style with minimal effort. Welcome to Relaxed Gardens, where we share fresh, easy, and inspiring garden ideas. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which makeover you'd love to try first. A fence does more than mark boundaries. It sets the tone of your outdoor style. Choose sleek wood panels, metal accents, or painted finishes to define your yard with elegance. The right fence can add privacy, personality, and instant curb appeal. A path instantly transforms the entrance of your home. Use stepping stones, gravel lines, or sleek tiles to guide the way. Elegant paths add structure, charm, and a welcoming vibe, even in the smallest front yards. Low fences with flower beds add cottage-style charm. Bright blooms spilling over wooden fences create warmth and friendliness. This design is perfect for front yards, giving neighbors and guests a cheerful welcome. A balanced layout keeps your garden looking organized and stylish. Distribute plants, seeding, and pathways evenly for harmony. The right proportion makes even a small garden feel timeless, spacious, and relaxing. Raised beds are both practical and stylish. They improve drainage, reduce bending, and keep plants organized. Add wooden or stone borders to make them stand out as part of your garden design. Mix plants with different heights, shapes, and textures to create depth. Pair tall grasses with low flowers and mid-sized shrubs. Layering adds visual interest, making small spaces look fuller and more dynamic. Transparent fences like glass or wire give your yard a modern, airy feel. They make small spaces appear larger while maintaining structure. Perfect for a sleek, minimalist style. You don't need a big budget for a stunning garden. Use recycled materials, DIY planters, or layered plants. clever styling and placement can make your garden look premium without the heavy cost. That's all for today's quick wins. If you love these small yard makeover ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments. Relax Gardens will be back soon with more inspiration.